Welcome back to Mike's Rusty Finds. Today we're going to kind of clean up the back where these taillights are a little bit because the wiring, I'm just getting over my back being messed up, and I just laying on the ground just is not gonna help. So I'm gonna give it a break. We're gonna move on to something else. Let's zap these off of here a little bit. Put these up here. I can lose them later. We'll just let this guy dangle. The other one I had to cut off because I had to install the license plate holder. Let me get something to clean this up with. Everybody's favorite cleaner, carb cleaner. We're going to go over this with a little bit of Scotch-Brite. I think I've sort of kind of got the wiring figured out. However, I'm still going to need a place to hang the license plate. Let me get a rag. Wipe this guy down a little bit. And we'll see if we can't make this look just a little bit better. Got some Rust-Oleum flat black enamel. Looks like I got the tip kind of cleaned, dirtied up on this. Hold on a minute, let me get this cleaned off. This is not working out the way I wanted it to. Okay, I think I got something handled here. Seems to want to spray upside down. A little bit windy today. Okay. We're getting somewhere with this stuff. I think that's just about good enough. Okay, we'll let this dry and then we'll put this thing back together. Okay, I think we're dry enough. See if I can drop one of these screws in the weeds. They say I really want to finish the wiring up on this thing, but my body is just saying nope. Okay, there we go. That's that. And because I don't have a plate for this yet, I bought something that will take the place until this thing can get out of the yard. This for sure gonna get me pulled over if I hit the streets with this thing. But I'm kind of thinking about mounting it over in the middle of what I just painted. And there you go. Anyway, stay safe out there. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next one.